Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. How are we all doing today? Please, if you're new in this channel, please consider to subscribe. If you're returning subscribers, I welcome you. Thank you for coming back to watch the video. Please don't forget to like the video, comment and share. Yes, I have my Facebook here. You know, we have our new Facebook page is here. Please, it's still the same name, Kai Reports. Please join us in Facebook as well, like the page and just help us to grow the channels and the page. Thank you so much. Yes guys, I have a video. This is Hope Uzodinma, the governor, of what he is doing, and this is what he's doing, you know, to the people of Imo State, and some of his political rivals, what he's doing to them. And the house we are seeing here is a house of one of the politicians who is in PDP. And from the video, I was meant to understand that he asked the man, or he was pushing the man to join APC, but the man refused. So he decided to take the power, use his power against him as a governor. And you can see what he's doing to the man's house. Let's watch.
Police governor.
Imo politics.
Governor said they had that good to show lie.
Hello?
Good to lie. I didn't know that PDP or talk about APC. He will never enter APC. Never.
No problem.
Never we will enter APC. Never. Police governor.
Imo politics.
Governor said they had that good to show lie.
Hello?
Good to lie. I didn't know that PDP or talk about APC. He will never enter APC. Never.
No problem.
Never we will enter APC. Never. Police governor.